Good morning, students. The previous class we discussed about silent letters and some examples we discussed with that. So now, let me discuss another topic in grammar, that is odd words. Odd words. It is also have 4 marks topic. It is totally like the previous topic, silent letters. So this topic also depend on your speaking ability, your speaking skills. So if you know actual pronunciation of the word, you will get easily the answer. Like silent letters words. So odd words means here given each the here given 3 words. These 3 words pronunciation is not same. 2 words pronunciation same. Then third word pronunciation is different. So you speak the correct pronunciations of the words, you will get the answer. The 2 words pronunciation is the same. The one word is different. For example, according to the pronunciation, you will get the answer. For example, if we see the one example here. The word is center. Another one is class. Third one is come. The means here you observe every word start with the letter C. But pronunciation is different from word to another word. For example, if you observe here center. Center means the C letter gives the sound is sa. Then here the word start with C. The word give the sound C is ka. It is not sa. It is a class. The means here C gives the sound is ka, but here C gives the sound is sa. Here come. Here the C word gives the sound is ka. The means here 2 words are pronounced same. The means here class come. Both words start with C letter, which is give the sound also same. But the word start with C letter, but it is not give the sound ka. It is gives the sound sa. So that's why our answer is center. Like this. The answer is center. So like this, the given the 3 words, we pronounce correctly. Which words are same pronunciation? 2 words are same pronunciation same. Which is different word is that is our answer. Then you observe another one example is govern, growing and gentle. Once again, govern, growing, gentle. Here also every word start with G letter. Here govern means which is give the sound ga, and growing ga. Here gentle, that is ja. So that's why our answer is gentle. Our answer is gentle. Beside business consist. Beside business consist. Here we observe similarity of letters S. Beside means sa. Business, it is not business. Business or business, jobs. Consist, sa. Consist means sa. Our answer is business. It is not business. It is a business. Next another example is like, live, levity. Li. We observe same letters, but which is the sound is different. Like, live, limit. So our answer is like. Then we observe another example. Such, much, epoch. It is not epoch. It is a epoch. Ch. Such, cha. Much, cha. It is not epoch. It is a epoch. Ka. So that's why it is a different word. It is a different word. Then another example is face, family, wake. Face, family, wake. A. Fa, fya, ya, way. So our answer is family. Our answer is family. Chapter, H, character. CH, CH, CH. We observe same letters given the three words. Either one letter or two letters. Chapter, cha, H, cha. But here character, ka, ka. CH, CH. All these are same letters, but the letters, words, if the sound differ from one word to another word. So here what is the answer? Character is our answer because cha cha is the same pronunciation words. Next one is touch. It is a course. It is a choose. So ch ch ch. Touch cha. Course ka. It is choose cha. So our answer is course. It is very important word in the examination pattern. So touch, course, choose. So our answer is course. Then other example is these, thousand, other. These, thousand, other. These, the, th. Thousand, the, th. Other, the. So our answer is thousand. Our answer is thousand. Then another one is anger, danger, passenger. Anger, danger, passenger. G, G, G. Anger, passenger. Danger, passenger. Ja. Ja, ja. Here is ga. That's why our answer is anger. Our answer is anger. Global, green, general. So similar letter is G, G, G. Global means ga, green look ga, and general ja. So our answer is general. That is no problem here. There is no tough to find out the word answer. Only we can pronounce correct pronunciation. We can pronounce the correct pronunciation of the word. We can easily get the answer. Then another example is children, change, character. Children, change, character. Children means cha, change, cha, character. So our answer is character. Then thin, this, thick, thin, ta, this, the, thick, ta. So our answer is this. Time, it, I. Which is the answer here? I, tie. I, tie. I, tie అనేది రెండు సేమ్ వస్తుంది. I, tie. ఇది కూడా I వస్తుంది. సో ఇది E వచ్చింది కాబట్టి it is the answer. Then next one is sit, pitch, write. I, similarity letters. So sit, E, pitch, E, write, I. So our answer is I. Our answer is I. Then other examples we observe call, cinema, huge. Call, cinema, huge. Call, similarity letter is C. So here already some areas C pronounced some times sa, sometimes ka. Here call, ka. Cinema, sa. Huge, ka. So our answer is cinema. Our answer is cinema because there is a different pronunciation. Then other example, craft, draft, clone. Craft, draft, clone. So similarly is O. Here craft, draft and clone. O అనేటువంటి pronunciation ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి కాబట్టి that is our answer, clone. Then tough, ghost, rough. Tough, ghost, rough. GH. But GH is pronounced sometimes silence. Sometimes pronounced, sometimes silence within the word, depend on the given the word. So that's why here tough, rough. It is a ghost. That's why ghost is the answer. Fa sound indication. Tough and fa sound, rough and fa sound. But here ga, different sound indication. Then another example is great general group. Great general group. Already also made about G. G which is gives sometimes ga sound, sometimes ja sound. Sometimes ga, sometimes ja. Gate ga. Gentleman ja. Like this. So here great ga. General ja. Group ga. So our answer is general. Next other example, cheap chain which is course. It's not a chose. So here ch. It is cha, but it is a ka. So that's why it is a course. It is not chose. Then other example is mix, box, xerox. Is xerox. So x mix box sound indication. So it is a job. That's why xerox and next other example is fry, cry, trade. Why. You observe similarity letters. Fry, I. Cry, I. Pray, that is answer. And other example is earn, earth, age. Earn, earth, age. Earn, earth, each. Earth అనేటువంటి ఏ వస్తుంది, each అనేటువంటి which is e sound. So that why our answer is each. Then listen, eaten, after. Listen, eaten, after. So similar letter is T. So T is some letters, some words T is pronounced, some words T is silent. But here T is a silent. It is not a listed. It is a listen. T is silent. But here and here T is pronounced. So that's why our answer is listen. Here ta. But there is no pronunciation. There is silence. Next one is kick, knife, no. Slave letters. Kick, ka. Knife, ka. No. So every word starts with K, but sometimes K is pronounced, sometimes K is silenced. So that is dependent on given the word. If already we discussed in silent letter, if the K follows N, at the same time K is silenced like this. KN, that's why K is silenced. KN, that's why K is silenced. That's why knife, no. But here K not followed by N. So that's why K here pronounced. So that's why that is K. So that is our answer. study, student, stupid. Study, student, stupid. st, st, st. Study, study, student, stupid, star pass normally. That is our answer is study. And silk, salt, sugar. Silk, salt, sugar. Yes, yes, yes. Sa. Here sha is not sa. It is not sugar. It is a sugar. So that's why our answer is sugar. Here s. Sometimes s is pronounced sa. Sometimes s is pronounced sha. Next gh. Cough, ghost, rough. Fa. Silence. Our answer is ghost. Ga అనేది sound indication చేస్తున్నారు కదా. Ga, a, fa and fa. Almost all ending of the gh letters are silent. Then another example is this bath thing. Th. This the bath the thing the. Our answer is this. So here also you observed th sometimes gives the sound, sometimes gives the sound. Th belongs to both. And another example is last one is sure, sun, supper. Sure, which is gives the s is sha, and sun sa, supper sa. So our answer is sure. Our answer is sure. Already observed yes, sometimes it gives the sa, sometimes it gives the sha. So like this. So this topic is also dependent on talent of your reading capacity, reading skill. If you pronounce like correct pronunciation of the word, you can get the answer easily. Both two words are same and third word is different. So this is called odd words. In the examination point of view, we have 4 marks. In the examination point of view, they will ask 6. They will ask 6. We will attempt 4. Each one 1 mark. There is one choice. There is 2 choice, not one choice. There is 2 choice. In the examination, they will give like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They will give like this 6 examples. We will attempt 4 examples. We will get the 4 marks. Each one 1 mark. Already, which is the singularity letter, they will underline every word. Every word they will underline which is singularity letter in the words. Only we can pronounce the according to given the underlined letter. According to given the underlined letter, we observe from one word to another word. That is the underlined letter is pronunciation different from one word to another word. So this is a very easy topic. Easily you will get 4 marks in the examination point of view. So thank you students.